Assalamu alaikum, namaste, hi everyone. Welcome back to my kitchen. Cook with Nigar. Let us prepare today very tasty chicken biryani. Prepare today chicken biryani. For chicken biryani, 1 kg rice, basmati rice. We need the ingredients. The first thing is rice and 1 kg chicken, oil, onion 300 grams, onion, 250 grams tomatoes, quarter bunch coriander leaves, quarter bunch pudina leaves, 1 scoopful or 3 tablespoonful ginger garlic paste, 5 green chilies, 1 lemon, color kesari color, and cloves, cardamom. These are things I have chopped for that. The same quantities I have chopped. This is 300 grams onion slices. This is 250 grams tomatoes chopped. This is quarter bunch coriander leaves chopped. This is same quarter bunch mint leaves chopped. Cardamom, cloves, cinnamon. This is lemon juice. This is green chilies. This is homemade ghee, other spices, red chilies, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala, saffron. Now let us start the cooking now. Let's cook now chicken biryani. Now I have kept the vessel on the stove. I am going to add the 250 grams oil, 50 grams homemade ghee. This is the oil. We have to wait till the oil should get heated. Then we have to add the ghee. Now 50 grams of ghee I am going to add. This is homemade ghee. I added 50 grams. Oil is well heated, so only I added the ghee. Now I am going to add the cardamom, cloves and cinnamon. Now we have added the onion. And turn into golden brown. We have to fry as usual. We have to add the bay leaves too. This is bay leaves. Cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, bay leaves, onion I added in the oil. I have to wait till this onion turn into golden brown. Now and then we have to saute as usual. Now our onion turned into golden brown. Now we have to add the chicken. This is well washed. Once again I am washing. I have washed at least 5 times. You still have to wash well. Now add the salt. Afterwards you can check. Approximately you can put 1.5 spoon salt, red chili powder 1 spoon, and little more. After cooking you can check whether everything is perfect or not. Then you can add as per your taste. Now I am adding the 150 grams of ginger garlic paste. I am using approximately, you can use like that, or otherwise 1 scoop full ginger garlic paste you have to use. This is the quantity of ginger garlic paste. Nearly 3 tablespoonfuls. Now we have to salt for at least 5 minutes. Now we have to add the 250 grams of curd. This is homemade curd, cow milk curd. So only it is watery. If you want to take, you can take this one. 250 grams of curd you have to use. Now a quarter spoon turmeric powder. Coriander powder 1 teaspoonful. This is homemade garam masala powder. I have added so many spices in this. Jawantri, jawfal, many more things. So it gives very good aroma to the biryani. So you can use the 1 teaspoonful. Afterwards you can check whether everything is perfectly accurate or not. Rest of the things, that is tomatoes. This is quarter kg tomatoes, 250 grams of tomatoes. This is quarter bunch coriander leaves chopped. This is the same quarter bunch mint leaves chopped. Now 5 green chilies. Now we have to cook at least 20 minutes till the oil gets separated. Then only we have to add the rice. So we have to cook till the oil gets separated. Then we can check what are the things are more or less, we can add them. Let us check now whether our gravy is become thick or not. Because 50 minutes are over, now it is already cooked well. Now we have to, meanwhile I have kept the water on the stove to cook the rice. This is the one, this one. I am going to add the rice in this. That rice half done only, we have to cook for half. Till the rice gets softened, we have to wait. Add the lemon juice in this. We have to add the lemon juice in this. One side we have to cook the rice, the other side we have to add the lemon juice. We have to check whether everything is perfect or not. Salt, chili powder, everything. If it is more or less, you can add now. Now itself. I am going to add a little more garam masala. 1 spoon. That's it. Rest of things are perfect. So I am not adding anything more. We have to wait till the rice half done. Now let us check whether gravy is, thickness should be of the gravy like this. Now the half cooked rice we have to add in this. I told you that I have kept the water on the stove meanwhile till the gravy cooked. Then I added the rice in this. This is the rice. I am going to show you what is the, how, this is the, now see, the rice should be half done. Now we have to drain out the water. We have to add this rice in the gravy, chicken gravy. That's it. Now I have drained the water. This is the half done rice. I am going to add in the chicken gravy. Now we have to wait. Now we have to add the kesari color, which is I have mixed and kept. Now kesari as well as the saffron both. Now you have to reduce the flame. We have to keep for 10 minutes till the rice becomes soft. Then we have to mix and serve. That's it. Now I am mixing the biryani. Now you have to mix like this slowly from up, like this. to serve. That's it. Now our chicken biryani is ready to serve. Biryani which is already prepared now. Suppose if you like the way how I have prepared, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the like button. Till the next video. Now our chicken biryani with raita and bagara baigan, dhanki chutney or raita. This is Ramadan special milk semia. Now till the next upload of the video, take care of yourself. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Jai Hind.